Because it smelled terrible in the house, Dustin opened up the window, but because it's so cold outside, the pickles already fully turned into gumai.
You're a man, you'll eat that.
You think I can do that?
Oh my god!
Hey man!
You guys! I expected better from you!
I'm gonna take a bite of this burger.
Oh my god!
That's so satisfying.
Here, you're missing a tomato. Oh! Okay!
Yo.
Yeah, I have to hold it in my mouth for 5 seconds.
No.
You guys are hilarious.
That is funny. You're right, Krabby. He's a hell of a lot funnier than you could ever be.